there and welcome to a new tutorial. Here I will make the turbine for the turbo. Just add the new component in the sub-assembly of the turbo assembly. Select the front plane and you can start with the circle. As you can see here, make diameter of 50. Okay, and select the top view. As you can see, you can start with the top plane and add this sketch. The same thing of the compressor, just I used line and 3-point arc and some dimension and constraint. Once you finish sketching, just finish your sketch, go to revolve, select this one like axis and validate. Now rotate your model like this one, just look to the Z and X axis and start new sketch in the top plane. For me, I will project the two of them and start a new sketch with 3-point arc. As you can see, and add some constraint. Just use an arc here. And the goal is the same thing like the compressor. I will make a profile here and save the sketch and add another sketch in other surface and add the spline and use sweep feature to make the feature. Okay, I use here trim and add the closed profile. Once you finish the first sketch, let's start new sketch and let's look for it in this surface. Okay, here you can make a spline and add some dimension. Once you finish sketching, just go ahead and start as you can see here. You can use the sweep feature. As you can see, select this one like target or path. Make sure that join is okay. Here for the sweep feature, for the twist, make 22 minus 22. It's okay, and validate. As you can see, you have the best result here. Now the second object or the second goal is to make the circular pattern here. Just select the circle like this one and put 10 elements and validate. As you can see, you have best result, and we will cut it like we did in the compressor. Just you have to select the top plane and make this this sketch. Please, if you are new in the channel, please subscribe, and if you like it, just make a thumbs up, and find payable episode in my website kamanai.com. Once you finish all of this, just select this profile, go ahead and select the revolve feature. The axis is this one. As you can see, you remove all of this. There are a trip here. If you want to delete all of this, just go ahead and edit your feature, your sketch, and add here your rectangle. If you can't to add constraint, just use P to project points or edges to add some constraint to your rectangle. Once all thing is alright, just validate and add. Now edit your feature and select this profile too. Don't forget sometimes to save your work. Then now let's go ahead and add some feature. I want to add directly the axis in this turbine. Just start from the top plane and use a line and sketch this one. I'm starting drawing all things and add the dimension step by step. That's the best method to draw anything in Fusion. Once you finish, I will use the revolve feature that's using the axis and the closed profile. All thing is alright here. We have just to add another sketch in this surface. Once you finish, use Q to cut material here. For me, I will add to the object. I will select this like an object. Okay, the last one is to add the hole here. You can use hole feature or you can just draw a circle and use Q to cut material, as you can see here. That's you done your work. Save your part. Here everything is alright. The turbine is finished. Now let's jump to another part. I decide to add another part in this tutorial. It's too easy to do. It's the Vband Clamp. Just select, make sure that the turbo assembly is selected, then add a new component, rename it as you can see, and start a sketch on the, let's see, yeah, all right, select with the start with the circle, 70 millimeter, and make another circle with 80, and I will accelerate the video and make the same design as you can see. I think if you followed the 40 episode, I think you are capable to do this sketch without copying me, and just see the dimensions, and for you is an exercise. All thing is alright, just add the last detail, add the fillet here, finish your sketch, go ahead and select this one and this one to extrude it. Okay, I want to make it in the center of the plane because I will use the plane. Here you can select the top plane and you can turn it like this one and choose a rectangle. From here you can select the center rectangle, make some dimension as you can see here. Okay, add some detail of your rectangle. I think is alright. Finish your sketch and go ahead and extrude it as you can see. For me, I will choose from object. Just for presentation, it's not the real Vband, okay? I don't want to make more detail about these parts, okay? Let's make a fillet here with 2 millimeter each side. Here I will start another sketch from the top. Just select the circle with 2mm. As you can see, you can turn it like this one. Okay. To see more detail, you can slice the view. Okay. Just click slice here. Look from the top. As you can see, you can project it. As you can see here. It's the best thing to do is to add dimension. Finish your sketch. Make a revolve here using a cut feature. As you can see, you did the V-clamp. See you in the next tutorial. Don't forget to save all the components, and we will make the assembly of the turbo, maybe the turbo with the whole engine. Thanks for watching and see you next tutorial.